When you're thrown out the vehicle with this tag, what the vehicle will do, it will literally shut down the road. What I really wanted to show you was a feature that's not normally shared when the vehicle is stolen with the tag as well. Hi guys, welcome to Exec Spec again for another car security video. Today we've got an Audi RS3 in that's had the StarLine S96 alarm and security package, full of features. Just wanted to give you some quick highlights. Let's show you the app for a start. So here's the StarLine app that allows you to arm, disarm. You've also got hijack on there. We've got the mapping. It tells you the status of the vehicle. So whether a door's open, a boot, bonnet, it'll all be up there. If the vehicle's lifted, jacked up, if it's towed away, you'll also get that. Also, you'll get calls. So if the vehicle alarm's going off, you'll get calls, which we'll demonstrate very shortly. But one of the real unique features that I absolutely love is this encrypted tag. Now, this encrypted tag allows the vehicle to know that it's actually the owner that's approached the vehicle or about to drive the vehicle. Now, to give you an idea on how it works, let's put this tag away in this Faraday pouch. So basically, if I put this away now, what will happen is this vehicle can't see that tag. So if you do get a thief that steals your keys or does the relay attack where they've copied a key, what will happen now is when they disarm the vehicle, in this instance you don't hear no audible chirp. So what will happen is they'll approach the vehicle, they'll open the door, and what does the vehicle do? It'll do an instant countdown. Now this countdown is to tell you, show me the tag. If you don't show the tag, this is exactly what's going to happen. Goes on to full alert. Obviously unbearable in the vehicle. Going out 5. It's also calling you. And then to turn it off, what we'll do is we'll get the tag out. And that's how you disarm it, is represent the tag. So let's jump in and give you a bit of an insight of what we've done. So we have a valet button up here. So this is a button and LED combined. We also have the immobilization LED confirmation there as well. So when it's armed, you'll see all this flashing away, which I'll give you an insight to very shortly. But you also get the encrypted tags with this alarm system. So when you're thrown out the vehicle with this tag, what the vehicle will do, it will literally shut down the road under obviously certain security provisions, i.e. the vehicle speeds low and it will shut down, not at high speeds, etc. But what I really wanted to show you was a feature that's not normally shared on video, or nobody's actually done one to show you what it does. So let's show you a scenario of when the vehicle is stolen with the tag as well. So let's fire up the car. So the vehicle's running. Okay, let's jump out the vehicle and let's put the tag in here. So basically now the vehicle keys and the tag have gone together and the thief's got away. So whether they've broken into your premises, found the keys and the tag together, and off they go, they've driven off with the vehicle. So the car's running, I'm not with the vehicle. I found out that it's stolen. So what we can do now is, using your StarLine app, you also have the personal hijack button. So let's press the hijack button. What happens now is it gives us one more chance to say, do you really want to execute this? So let's execute it. And now what will happen is the car thief's driven away with your vehicle, and straight away this is what's presented to the car thief. It's giving them a warning. Look, you need to obviously stop or react upon it and slow down. Obviously, let's get in the vehicle. It's quite loud outside, but let's give you an idea. And obviously the vehicle's not being driven, but I just want to give you an idea. Let's just rev it. So that's what would have happened now. Inside is quite unbearable, to be fair. So that would be deafening the car thief now as well at the same time. Now, you'll see now the car's going to shut down literally. So there we go. It's completely shut down now. So if I try to start the car won't start. Tag's still in there. Let's try to arm and disarm it. Look, nothing happening whatsoever. So the keys and the tag are useless. You can't start the vehicle. Now there's only two ways you'll be able to turn this vehicle off now. One is obviously enter the security pin code inside the vehicle via the valet button, which, let's be honest, you're not going to do at this moment in time. Alternatively, what you can do is, with the authorised phone, a more convenient feature for the owner is you send a command to the vehicle and you can disarm it. And now you have your vehicle back. So, completely disarmed. Let's just get the keys. Jump in. Vehicle started. And that is the StarLine S96. Absolutely awesome hijack feature that you get with this vehicle. So if you'd like any more information, please feel free, drop us a call and we'll be happy to assist.